Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today, we're going to draw and color a brand new number block, Numberblock 10,000. Let's get started. First, we will draw the main body. Draw one big rectangle.
Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue, yellow, green, this color in time is fun. Number blocks appear alive, every number.
Now, inside the rectangle, draw 10 vertical lines. 1,
Color, color, color inside.
2,
Soft and neat and bright. Use your crayons, use
3,
your markers. Make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture,
4,
let it glow. This drawing time feels so alive.
5,
Number blocks are happy friends. Learning helps all
6,
minds to thrive.
7,
Count with me, 1 to 10, let the
8,
colors start again. 11, 12, 13, 14, every block becomes a friend. 15, 16,
9,
17, 18, 19, 22,
and
numbers
10.
Show, numbers show what we can learn and what we do.
Now the 10 horizontal lines.
Pick your shade,
10,
number blocks are full of fun. Red next, blue next, yellow next, color every single one. Step by step and block by
20,
block. Count them slow, then count them fast. We are learning all the numbers. This knowledge always stays endless.
30,
Tick tock, drawing time
40,
never stops. Color softly, color lightly, make the
50,
picture never drop. Color the blocks one by one. Fill it
60,
in and let it shine. Drawing every single square makes
70,
number blocks look so divine.
80,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
90,
and we count alive. 6,
100.
7, 8, 9, 10. We can start it all again. This is learning with our heart. This is fun and this is
Amazing!
fun.
Now the body shape is complete. Now each big block will turn into tiny blocks. Inside one section, draw 10 vertical lines.
Shade and every tone makes the best we've ever seen. Rainbow colors everywhere, mix and match and all combined. Drawing number blocks with love makes every picture look so fun.
And 10 horizontal lines.
Nice and slow.
That means each section equals 100 small blocks. Now remember, 100 sections times 100 small blocks equals 10,000 blocks. Amazing! Now we will complete the rest. Drawing is complete. Say it with me. ONEHUNDRED. 200.
Number blocks learning, number blocks
300.
drawing and coloring.
400.
Everyone, color and count.
500.
Count and color, learning
600. 700. 800. 900.
Start a brand new picture. Take your
1,000. Wow! We reached 1,000. That's ONETHOUSAND. 2,000.
Drawing number blocks
3,000.
is a fun and happy ride.
4,000.
Color gently, nice and
5,000.
paper bright and true. Red,
6,000.
yellow, green and blue, every shade and every
7,000.
inside the lines we color neat.
8,000.
Soft without a rush. Drawing numbers
9,000. 10,000. Awesome! We reached 10,000. That's TENTHOUSAND. Now let's draw the face. First, draw star-shaped eyes. Inside shapes, draw the eyes, add the pupil details, and small shine circles.
And learning always feels so great. Coloring top to bottom, every tiny square and spot. Mix the colors all together, light and dark and warm and hot.
Next, draw a happy smile mouth. Inside the mouth, draw teeth and tongue.
Make learning really thrive.
Draw both hands.
1 little block, 2 little blocks, 3 and 4 and 5 in line. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 together looking fine. Add them, stack them, count them tall, numbers growing all the time. Drawing every single block makes our artwork super prime. We can blend and we can shade, we can mix the colors bright. We can make new combinations, make the picture.
After that, draw both legs at the bottom. Finally, on the top, write 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Fantastic work, super learners! You've drawn number block 10,000. Now let's color him in and bring him to life. Get your colors ready? Let's start.
Drawing helps us think creative, coloring helps us shape our mind.
Pick black. B, L, A, C, K. Color. Eyes. Inside mouth. Blink game. Blink 3 times.
Again tomorrow, we can color every day. Number blocks will always join us as we learn.
Pick red. R, E, D. Color. Star-shaped eyes. Hands. Find red. Look around. Find something red.
Let's go! Let's go!
Let's start a brand new picture. Take your pencil nice and light. Make a shape, make a block, make the lines all clean and right. Every number starts as shapes, little boxes side by side. Drawing number blocks together is a fun and happy ride.
Color gently, nice and slow. Fill the paper bright and true. Red and yellow, green and blue, every shade and every hue. Inside the lines we color neat, smooth and soft without a rush. Drawing number blocks with joy is a magic we can never crush. Yow!
Counting higher, counting lower, up and down and back again. Every number tells a story, 1 to 10 and 10 to 10.
We can color while we learn, we can learn while we create. Number blocks are friendly friends and learning always feels so great.
Coloring top to bottom.
Let's draw the
Pick
number
pink.
blocks, nice and neat on the
P,
page.
I,
Rectangle shapes, we begin
N,
step by step like a
K.
stage. Line goes
Color
up,
the smile
line goes
area.
down, every block in the right
Big
space.
smile.
Drawing is
Smile
fun,
big while
slow,
coloring.
we don't need to rush the pace. Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun.
Pick
Red, blue, yellow,
maroon.
green is coloring
M,
time is fun.
A,
Number blocks
R,
appear alive.
O,
Every number we create.
O,
One by
N.
one they come alive. This
Color
magic
wrist
feels
and
so
arm
great.
details.
Color, color inside.
Mini game.
It's all
Strong
pretty
arms.
and use
Show your
crayons
strong
and
arms.
markers. Make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow. This drawing time feels so alive. Number blocks are happy friends. Learning helps our minds to thrive. Color, color, color inside. Color, color, color inside. Count with me, 1 to 10.
Pick light red. L, I,
It's
G,
time to draw the
H,
number blocks.
T,
Let's begin today.
R,
Take
E,
your pencil, take
D.
your crayons, let's
Now we
create
color
and
the
play.
whole body.
Start with simple
Get ready
shapes
for
and
ultra
lines,
fun
nice
mini
and
games.
slow and neat. Every little box we draw makes learning feel complete. Draw a block and draw another, stack them side by side. Every number starts with shapes, watch them grow with pride. Lines go up and lines go down, corners strong and square.
Section coloring.
Drawing number
Color
blocks
each
together
thousand.
shows how much we
First
care.
1,000,
Now it's coloring
second
time,
1,000,
let the colors
third
shine.
1,000,
Block with happy shades,
fourth
one at
1,000,
a time. Red
fifth
is
1,000,
bright and blue is
6,000,
cool. Yellow like
7,000,
the sun.
8,000, 9,000, 10,000.
Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes Line goes up, line goes down. Every block in the right space is boring, is fun and slow. We don't need to rush the pace. Color inside, stay inside. Make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue, yellow, green. This color in time is fun. Number blocks appear alive. Every number we create, one by one they come alive. This magic feels so great. Color, color, color inside. Fill it soft and neat and bright. Use your crayons, use your markers. Make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow. This drawing time feels so alive. Number blocks are happy friends. Learning helps our minds to thrive. Count with me 1 to 10. Let the color start again. 11, 12, 13, 14. Every block becomes
Slow
a friend.
coloring challenge.
16, 17,
Color
18,
slowly.
22.
1,
Numbers show what we
2,
can learn and what
3,
we do.
4, 5.
Shape it, shape it,
Fast
color
coloring.
in. Number blocks are
Fast.
full of fun. Red next,
1,
blue next, yellow next.
2,
Color every
3.
single one. Step by step,
Stop.
block by block. Count them
Find
slow
the
and count
color.
them fast. We are
Can you
learning
find
all the
light
numbers.
red
This
around
knowledge
you?
always stays
Point to
and
it.
lasts.
Clap and color. Clap.
Tick tock, drawing time never stops. Color softly, color lightly, make the picture never drop. Color the blocks one by one, fill it in and let it shine. Drawing every single square makes number blocks look so divine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we color and we count alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we can start it all again. This is learning with our heart, this is fun, and this is art. Drawing every little part.
Let's learn something big. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 equals 10,000. Spelling T, E, N, T, H, O, U, S, A, N, D. And we can break it like this.
Can count. Every number block we make gives imagination an amount. Number blocks learning, number blocks fun, drawing and coloring everyone. Color and count, count and color, learning numbers like no other. Begin to D. Take your pencil, take your crayons, let's create and play. Start with simple shapes and lines, nice and slow and neat. Every little box we draw makes learning feel complete. Draw a block and draw another, stack them side by side. Every number starts with shapes, watch them grow with pride. Lines go up and lines go down, corners strong and square. Drawing number blocks together shows how much we care. Now it's coloring time, let the colors shine. Fill each block with happy shades, one at a time. Red is bright and blue is cool, yellow like the sun. Coloring the number blocks is learning mixed with fun. Color gently, color neatly, stay inside each line. Every stroke and every shade makes the picture shine. Green and orange, pink and brown, mix them if you like. Drawing and coloring together makes the numbers come to life. Let's start counting slowly now. 1 and then it's 2, 3 and 4 and 5 blocks. Look what we can do. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 blocks standing tall. Counting while we color makes
Count by
learning
thousands.
best of all.
1,000,
Add one
2,000,
more, count together.
3,000,
Numbers grow
4,000,
high.
5,000,
20, 30, 40,
6,000,
reaching
7,000,
the sky.
8,000,
Big or small,
9,000, 10,000.
Counts. Drawing helps our brains grow strong with every amount. Shade the edges, fill the middle, make it smooth and clean. Turn the page into a picture like you've never seen. Art and numbers work as one, hand in hand they go. When we draw and color blocks, our thinking starts to grow. Take your time and enjoy it. Learning is a joy. Every number block we draw teaches girl and boy.
Great job, super learners! You just drew and colored number block 10,000. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next fun adventure. Wow, that's a big number! Keep drawing, keep coloring, keep learning, and see you in the next video. If you enjoyed drawing and coloring with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell so you can watch more fun number block videos every week. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite color on number block 10,000? Thank you for drawing with me, super kiddos. Keep practicing, keep creating, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.